Hey, what's up guys? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how I'm able to detail with little to no sleep. So stay tuned for the rest of the video to find out what I do.
So Tony, how come you didn't get that much sleep last night?
I had a full paint correction to get done on a Mustang, a 65 Mustang in LA. And so I was planning to get it done by like 8 p.m. But I ended up taking like a longer. I finished like at 2 in the morning, and so I had to be up that same day at like 5:30 in the morning to get ready to go to the high desert to do maintenance on a lot of vehicles. And so I just decided to like try to stay up, but I ended up getting like, I tried to get like a power nap, and I slept for like I think an hour or two, and here I am. Look at me, solid.
Running on 1.5 hours, 2 hours of sleep.
My eyes kind of feel like it's twitching a little bit, but I think I'm good.
So how does that affect your details? Or does it affect your details?
I don't really feel like it does. It depends. Like I'll feel a bit tired, but I think I can still like get through the day and like not really be too bad. As long as I got like water and energy drinks, like literally, I gotta get. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I pay my money, like I pay for this. So agüita, energy drinks, and at least one meal for the day, like at least, or else I'm gonna be like dying. Today, luckily, we got 2 meals for the day, but yesterday I was only able to get 1. So 1 big meal at least for the day, and then yeah, that gives me enough energy to get through.
So Tony, how do you plan on catching up on your sleep?
So I've been like these past like few days, I've been like going at it pretty hard. So I actually got a big cancellation for tomorrow, and I was planning on like booking it in, like booking other people in for that day, but I think I'm gonna just take the day off to do some like office type of work and get back to a bunch of emails, calls, messages, a bunch of people. And so technically it's not a full day off, but I mean I'm not gonna be doing like labor intensive type of work, so I'll be able to stay like sleeping in tonight and get some like recover with that a bit. And then I also got some like new Gorilla Mind pills. I think that's what it's called, Gorilla Mind or something like that.
Gorilla what?
Gorilla Mind or something like that. What is that what it's called?
It's like a pre-workout company.
Yeah, so like it's like that type of company, and I just ordered some pills that like I tried it already once and they seem to work pretty good. Like I got like 3 hours of sleep with the pill. I was actually supposed to get more, but I needed to get to work, so I woke up because of alarms and stuff. But I did feel pretty refreshed when I woke up, so I'm gonna try it again tonight, and then actually like just wake up with no alarms and stuff, and then I should feel pretty solid. And so that's what I plan on doing. And then I should be like, I just need 1 day to recover, and then I can go hard again for like another week or whatnot. And so
those pills are sleeping pills? Or?
Yeah, they help you sleep.
So Tony, did you see a doctor for those medications? Or no? No. I just saw them. My cousin recommended me their brand. He tries out like their pre-workout and stuff, and I like to work out. So I gave him a shot, and that was something that I saw on their website, and I was like, this is interesting. I read the description, and I was like, I'll give it a shot. And so I tried it once, and I felt pretty good. So I'm gonna be trying it again, and I'll probably be like continue to use it. Okay. Do you feel like you're overworking yourself?
A little bit. It just depends on the day. Some days yes, some days I'm alright.
Have you considered taking a day off or scheduling an off day?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get like at least 1 day off a week. If it just depends on how booked up I can book up the week. Like if I can get 6 full days like of like fully booked up days, then I'll take like 1 day off. But if I'm getting like a few days not that booked in the week, then I'll probably just try to work all the whole like every day of the week.
What about having like 1 day like out of the week as your day off? Like this day I'm not gonna do any details.
It just depends. It's usually it's in the middle of the week. It's like one of the slowest times, but I don't know. Right now, every day is pretty busy, so it's just whichever day is like I don't know. I guess I'll consider like I don't know. I don't really take full days off. Maybe in like later in the summer I'll take like a week or 2 off, like a vacation. But I don't know. Yeah, no promises.
All right. Have any of your customers told you that you look tired or that?
Not that I can remember. Well, I mean, they see my stories on like social media and stuff, and they'll text it to me and like things like that, and they'll ask like if I'm good and whatnot. But they don't like necessarily, clients that like don't have me on social media and stuff, they don't necessarily like tell me anything. I feel like I don't really, me personally, I feel like I'm not too tired around my clients. I don't know. I can get like random, I guess, like points of energy out of nowhere. Like if I want to, I just wake up and like shake myself around, listen to some music, hype myself up, and bada bing bada boom, I'm ready to go.
Have you noticed if your details have taken longer when you're not well rested?
It just depends on like how not well rested I am. I've noticed that I feel more tired, but I don't know. It really depends. I mean, I guess it does slow me down a bit, but I wouldn't say it slows me down like considerably a lot. It just really depends, because sometimes I'll get headaches and stuff, and then that'll slow me down. But for the most part, I'll be fine. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. That's what I do to detail with little to no sleep. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever done something like this and how it has affected you or your business. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.